Yeah, this Boogie the Great, you feel me? I'm finna go ahead and do this geeked up challenge. Motherfuckers been waiting on for a minute, you know. Coming straight out of Boss Life. One time for the one time. Go ahead and do this shit real quick. Jack. Okay. Yeah. First off, fuck your favorite rapper, bitch, I'm the best. I'm as real as it gets. I've heard you rap, but still not impressed. I will not respect a nigga who live in a double life, portraying himself as a gangster just cause he up on the mic. And you know niggas that pull trigger, busted and cut on a couple lives, but he ain't never touched a 9 let alone bust a 9 and clutch a 9 when it was time to bust a 9 because his life was on the line. So claim to me while you were evil in your fucking rhymes. I done had enough of lies, the truth is in the flesh. A bar for me is like a ruler to your chest. I thought about it, still can't find a reason you a threat. Cause it's how the rise, I got him questioning who's the best. Niggas slopping hating for a minute now. But I be chillin', grinning with my fitted down. You fuck boys don't post a threat, cause what you trying to be, it doesn't suit you. Let us see who really behind the scenes. I won't engage in any other fuckery. I'm with hip hop searching for the missing puzzle piece. Devoted and ambitious, I'm like fuck defeat. Lyrical assassin, rapping all these rappers up in sheets. Drench them in some gasoline, then strike a match. Light my blunt and throw it on them as I cite my raps. I'm the one and only great, no need to question that. Sooner than later, I'll be considered one of the best in rap. My only concern is getting that cake. Flow straight drop, I'm spitting that yay. In the lab whipping a brick, this hot as a felon on parole, flipping that yay. The difference between you and I, you're trying to be someone that you cannot be. Honestly, I don't say much because people can't handle the truth when I speak.
That's my brother.
And that's life. That's life. Stumbled up a couple times, I'm a little drunk. But y'all get the memo. Be the great Boss Life TGM, you feel me?